Hey guys, really busy morning here today, and I am after some really good protein for this morning that's easy to cook up. So I'm going to show you how to make my 40-second poached eggs. So crack your egg, ready to go in there, and it's going to go in the microwave for 40 seconds on low. So we need to change our power. That'll do. And we're going to put it in for 40 seconds. My microwave is filthy. You can tell I have children. So that one's finished now. Let's have a look. Oh, might need a little bit longer. So I'll just put it on for a bit longer. Once again, moving that temperature down. Another 10 seconds maybe. Okay, pretty perfect poached egg, and I'm going to have that on some lovely grainy bread. That's my brekkie done.